All right. Now, y'all may think I'm crazy for this one, or you may not, or you may agree. But if you saw my first video, you saw that I was very skeptical about rather this being some kind of ritual shooting to be caught on camera to spark some kind of race war, a lot of racial tension. And as I thought about the numbers and I looked at a few other things online, now I did this math on my own, right? I didn't get this from nobody else. I did see from another video that Trayvon Martin, his death day was 3 days after the dude died on February 23rd. Now, I'm going to bring this point to y'all because I'm starting to believe that this was a ritual and that the video and just how it's going, it's all pointing to it being some kind of ritual sacrifice, right? Some kind of just big ritual for everybody to see to spark some kind of race war. You know, this may not be what actually does it, but this is still like trauma-based kind of like programming, you know? This is still MK Ultra. So let's get to the numbers, right? Because like I tell y'all, a 3 and a 6 or 9 or, you know, a lot of the times 13s are always involved in rituals and celebrity type deaths and sacrifices. Now, although he is not a celebrity, you know, obviously we get that, but still, rituals are the same on all across. So remember that his death day was 3 days before Trayvon Martin death day. We also got to factor in this, and I said this in my 2020 rant video, the part 1 of the 2020 rant video, and you can also Google this for yourself, but this lets you know Sunday is a ritual death day because many, and I mean many, upon many of celebrities are sacrificed ritualistically on Sundays. Yes, he's not a celebrity. We've gotten past that, but it doesn't matter. It's just as far as it being a ritual death day, period. You know, anything that they want to do toward the mass for the public to believe and basically, you know, just create that trauma and harvest that energy. So I said in that 2020 rant video, John Singleton was killed on a Sunday. Juice WRLD killed on a Sunday. Well, you know, sacrifice because, you know, obviously it wasn't killed, it was a murder. Kobe Bryant died on a Sunday. Nipsey Hussle on a Sunday. So that lets y'all know they like to do these rituals on certain days. Sunday is definitely a ritualistic death day. February 23rd, 2020 was a Sunday. Now, 2 times 3 equals 6. His death day was 3 days before Trayvon Martin death day. All right? So that's your 3 and that's your 6. They put the video out on May 5th, 2020, which comes out to be 14. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So now we have 3 days before Trayvon Martin death day. The 23rd of February equals 6. And we have the day that they put the video out that equals up to 3, right? So obviously, if you add those numbers up, that equals up to 12. 2 plus 1 equals up to 3. Now, we have basically 6 plus 6 plus 3. 12 plus 3 equals 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. It's actually crazy. And so basically, if you didn't get that math, that equals up to 3 6s. You get an ending sum of 3 6s out of those dates. If you do the 23rd of February, 2 times 3, 3 days before Trayvon Martin's death day, the date that the video was released equals to a 3. And then when you tie it all back together, you get 3 6s. You get 3 6s. So like I said, that is not a coincidence. And I just sat here and I thought about it. I was trying to tie this together to see if there were any numbers behind it. So we can call this a ritual killing / murder by numbers, because this stuff will go over your head if you're not really paying attention to it, or if you're not really trying to break it down and see what's going on. Now, I've already presented y'all with all the questions that surround the video. You know, I've already presented y'all with those questions. So now, after I just dug a little bit deeper, I had to see if there were any numbers that, you know, that ring bells around this. And I think even out of it equaling up to 666 and just really seeming like a ritual, I think it happening on Sunday is like, you know, it's like the final say. You know, it being on Sunday was just, it almost blew my mind, and I didn't even think about it when I first made the video. I didn't even think about it, you know, because I just went with what was on my mind at the time. And you know, once you sit back and really, really process it, you can really dig deep into what is going on, you know. And a lot of people are on the same page. So I just wanted to bring that to y'all and see what y'all think, because no matter what, at the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. They're going to keep pulling these rituals off. They're going to keep doing this kind of stuff because they can. They simply just, they toy with us because they can. It's as simple as that. So, yeah.